This has been one of the projects we are most proud of. The idea behind is very simple. Is there a way to understand how ESG and financial performance are linked? And if so, can we capture this link? Historically, investors look at aggregated ESG ratings and eventually they select companies with the best ratings. Okay, it is a legitimate approach, but there is no reason why it should bring alpha. On the contrary, these approaches typically tend to perform in line with the market. I'm not saying that ESG does not carry useful information. It's the way we're using it. Because typically ratings are made of hundreds of indicators, which are more or less important, and it depends on the company characteristics, the size, the country, the sectors. Let me give an example. For a utility company, environmental indicators are key, are material, maybe less so for a media company. So you see that the information that ESG brings with it is useful. It can have an impact on financial prices. So it's important that we use it efficiently in investment strategy. Because materiality is hidden in ESG indicators, and each indicator can potentially tell us something important about the company, we need to be able to extract this information. But when you do it at a scale of a large investment universe, global equities, for instance, that's very tough job to do. So here's where the machine learning comes in to help. At Ossim, we built an innovative machine learning tool that is able to process very large ESG data sets. It learns from the data what is important or not in the life of a company. So for example, a couple of years ago, one of the experts, we call experts what the machine learning gave us back, was if you have a company with a high level of controversies at governance and also lack of transparency in the way the board is remunerated, well, typically this company tend to be a risk. So you see that by combining two different ESG indicators, the machine learning has identified a profile that typically is related to risk. So the idea is to put around a lot of these profiles, try to capture whether a company remains an opportunity or a risk. So by focusing on material issues and by learning over time, which is very important, the machine learning gives you a powerful alternative to extract useful information from ESG and then use it in your investment process.